Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by constant Telegram notifications from multiple accounts, you're definitely not alone. Whether you're juggling work, personal chats, or managing different profiles, those non-stop alerts can quickly become distracting. The good news is that Telegram has a simple way to silence notifications from all accounts at once, and it only takes a few taps. Let's walk through how to do it. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all your customization options, including privacy, chats, and of course, notifications. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls everything related to alerts, message tones, and pop-ups. Now here's the key step. Scroll until you see the option called Show Notifications From. Under this, you'll find a toggle labeled All Accounts. Simply switch this off. Once you turn it off, Telegram will stop showing notifications from all your accounts combined. This is especially useful if you've added multiple accounts and want a cleaner, distraction-free experience without logging out of anything. And that's it. No complicated setup, no extra apps, just a quick adjustment that can make a big difference in how you manage your notifications. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the option back. It's completely flexible and under your control. Give it a try and enjoy a quieter, more focused Telegram experience.